Second aspect of my client I'm going to evaluate from that consultation is smoking. From my client, from my consultation with my client, I learnt that my client smokes and has done so for over 10 years. This is a major weakness for my client, as smoking causes numerous health risks and many of which are fatal, including risks such as being closely linked to cancer of the mouth, lip, lung, and throat, for example, among many, many, many more. Furthermore, as my client has smoked for 10 years, she would have caused irreversible damage to her body, which will reduce her life expectancy. Furthermore, my client stated she typically smokes 3 to 5 cigarettes per day, stating she usually smokes every day. The main reason my client gave for smoking is as a social bonding, as she enjoys to chat over a cigarette, showing that she uses cigarettes to connect with friends and feels as though she may be left out if she quit smoking, acting as a barrier, peer pressuring her to continue smoking. Furthermore, another reason she likes to smoke is it is extremely addictive. This is because of the nicotine, an addictive substance within cigarettes which leads people to forming physical and mental dependencies to smoking, where their bodies and minds feel as though they need cigarettes to function, making it extremely difficult to quit. In relation to smoking, my client has no strengths, as she smokes and has done so for 10 years. There is no physical or mental benefits to my client to continue smoking. Smoking will only continue to deteriorate her health and shorten her lifespan. For this reason, it is highly recommended she quit smoking. If my client quit smoking, even though some remaining damage would remain present from her years of smoking, many of the damage which has been caused would heal over time, increasing her life expectancy and quality, but only if she quits.